Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Goat. Today, I'm going to give you 5 reasons on why I love my 2012 Subaru WRX Hatchback. Before we get going on this video, I want to remind you guys that I post every Tuesday car vlogs such as this. Every Wednesday now, me and my fiance Jade have our podcast Drivin'Livin that we post our video of, and you can find that podcast right now on Stitcher, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and Google Podcasts. And then Friday I post random kind of car content, video, whatever. So to be sure you don't miss out on any of that, hit that subscribe button down below as well as the bell. 5 reasons on why I love my 2012 Subaru WRX Hatchback. Number 1. Maybe you can hear it right there. Those exhaust noises. I love the sound of these boxer engines. This car specifically, it has NVIDIA exhaust on it. I'm gonna look and see what the previous owner said exactly was on the car as far as exhaust, but God, do I love the way this thing sounds. I have always been a fan of that Subi Rumble, and this car does not disappoint me at all. Oh, so good. I can listen to it all day. But anyways, number 2, the seats. I absolutely love the seats in these. Like, not only do they look good, but they're so comfortable. And especially now that I'm finally a thinner guy here, I've lost 80 pounds. If you didn't know. But these seats hug me so well, place you right in your seat. They hold you well, and they're just, I love the way these seats look. Like, they look like what I would typically expect to be like an aftermarket seat in a vehicle. And yeah, they look good. They're super comfortable. Like, daily driving this is not a problem. You got support in all the right places. It's just comfortable. Number 3, like I've mentioned multiple times before, just the practicality you get with the hatchback. Having that hatchback there, being able to fold down these rear seats, you can put anything in here and haul anything, go anywhere with it. It's all good. Like, yeah, I know I've mentioned it in multiple videos, but having that hatch and just having all that room available, you really can't beat it. And that's a huge reason on why I love this car, is just for that hatch. Number 4, the way this car handles. I haven't really been hauling around corners, getting on it, but the little bit that I have, and just the way it handles daily driving and whatnot, even as far as the shifting and that, not even just the steering, but just the way the car handles, the way it drives. It's so smooth, it's so comfortable, it's just like easily can be used as a daily driver. And you know, the way it drives, the way it handles, paired with these seats, I can't beat it. Like, I love daily driving my 06 GTO, but this, just the whole feel of it is, I don't know, so perfect to me that I really don't know if you can. I shouldn't say that you can't beat it, but for what the car is, being a sporty car, being a, you know, rally car, I absolutely love the way the car handles on the street. And if I ever get the chance to, I'd love to take it on some type of road course, but in the spring I'll definitely be taking it on some corners, having some fun with it. But, you know, yeah. And then finally, number 5, I've just wanted one of these cars for so damn long that, you know, it has not disappointed me. Also, as I've said many times now, I've wanted one of these cars for 5 years, and really I wanted the car for the looks, for the sound of it. Really had no clue how comfortable the car would be or how practical it would be for my daily life, but you know, I absolutely love the way these cars look, the way it handles. I love the seats. It just, yeah. My 5th reason, like I'm saying, is just because I've wanted one for so damn long, and it's been one of my dream cars for years now, and I'm just couldn't be more excited to actually have one, and it hasn't disappointed me yet. Like, I've been working on the car. I've had to do a few things to it already, but nothing major yet. And I personally absolutely love the car, and if they're all like this, I couldn't recommend one more, dude. So that was pretty quickly there 5 reasons on why I love my 2012 Subaru WRX Hatchback. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below. Do you love the hatches or not? We all got our own opinions. And as always, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.